Tensions between China and the European Union are deepening, just as China's economic indicators reveal worrying signs of weakness. From new EU restrictions targeting Chinese medical suppliers to a sharp downturn in China's manufacturing sector, the developments could have broad implications for global trade. We go to Ekaterina Quezada for the full report.
Thank you, Charlotte. Let's begin with the latest from Brussels. The European Union has enacted its first restrictive measures under the International Procurement Instrument, IPI, directly impacting Chinese firms in the medical device sector. These new rules bar Chinese companies from public tenders over 5 million unless reciprocal access is granted in China. The China Chamber of Commerce to the EU, CCCEU, responded with strong criticism, calling the measures a de facto trade barrier and accusing the EU of violating its own principles of openness and non-discrimination. The Chamber stressed that European companies have long enjoyed generous access to China's healthcare market and warned that the decision undermines mutual trust and global economic confidence. This diplomatic strain comes as new data reveals a downturn in China's own economy. According to the latest Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, China's manufacturing activity shrank in May, dropping to 48.3, its lowest level since September 2022 and the first contraction in 8 months. The decline was driven by a sharp fall in new orders, including export orders, leading to reduced output, staffing cuts, and lower purchasing activity. Despite these setbacks, manufacturers expressed renewed optimism about the future, hopeful that expanded export markets could support recovery in the months ahead. Falling input costs and selling prices also signal deflationary pressure within China's industrial sector, a troubling trend for a country seeking to stabilize post-pandemic growth. With rising trade barriers in Europe and weakening global demand, Beijing faces increasing pressure to recalibrate both its economic policy and international strategy. Together, these developments paint a picture of growing friction between China and the EU, at a time when both sides are grappling with economic uncertainty and geopolitical realignment. Back to you, Charlotte.
Hello, my dear friend. How's everything going in Europe? Thank you, Irina. A warm greeting to you. Subscribe to Money Borders. We'll keep reporting.